How to get rid of dry skin in hydration. Number 1. Use a humidifier. If you live in a dry climate or use heating during the winter months, a humidifier can add moisture to the air, preventing your skin from becoming too dry. Number 2. Protect your skin. Wear sunscreen daily, even during overcast days, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays that can further damage dry skin. Additionally, protect your skin from harsh weather conditions by wearing appropriate clothing, such as gloves and scarves in cold weather. Number 3. Choose gentle products. Avoid using harsh soaps or cleansers that can strip the skin of its natural oils. Opt for mild, fragrance-free products formulated for sensitive or dry skin. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.